Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to break down step by step how people are making $100,000 per month selling AI offers. And don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to start. Okay, let's get started. First, what are AI offers? Basically, these are digital products, services, or solutions built with AI tools like AI art, AI video generations, and then chatbots, voiceovers, or templates. And the reason they sell so well is because they're in high demand or very low cost to create. To testing of it this way, instead of selling physical items, you are selling something AI can generate instantly and you can sell it over and over again. Next, you need to choose a profitable niche. Right now, some of the hottest niches include social media content packs, and then AI generated ads for small businesses, or AI voice offers and video script, and then AI designs and branding kits. Just pick one niche where people are already spending money, and then just position your AI offer to solve their problem faster and cheaper. And then once you have chosen your niche, just package your offer. For example, you can create a monthly subscription for AI generated content or just sell one-time digital products like logo packs, video ads, or even ebooks. And then just sell your AI offers on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, Fiverr, or even directly to your own landing page with Stripe or PayPal. And then just remember, presentations matters. Use mock-ups and then testimonials and clear benefits to show value. And then the real money comes when you automate. Just use AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Runway to generate at scale, and then automate delivery with platforms like Zapier, Google Drive, or even email autoresponders. This is how sellers can scale from a few $100s a month to over $100,000 per month without hiring big teams. And okay, that's it. Now you know how the exact steps to start selling AI offers and scale them into a serious business. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more video. Thanks for watching and see you!